In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm corner row with a barbell. So firstly, I've got this barbell into a locked attachment, so the barbell's not going to go anywhere. If you don't have a locked attachment mechanism, what you can do is put this against the corner of a wall and you can repeat exactly the same as I am. Just make sure you don't damage the wall if it's in a gym. So firstly, what I want you to do is have your feet hip width apart. Now you'll notice here the bar is to the right hand side of me. So what I'm going to come down and do for my first set of repetitions is going to work my right side, so single arm. So when I'm coming down, I'm going to come down into a squat position. I'm going to have my arm completely straight. The bar is just to the side of me and I'm going to bring this up to a standing position. Once I've got myself at a standing position, I'm going to bring my hips to the back of the room. And I'm going to try and brace my core. I don't want to rotate through my spine, nice neutral spine, and I bring the weight up and directly back down. So my knees are bent here, my core's bracing as hard as it can. I'm trying to keep a neutral spine as I row the weight up and slowly lower back down under control. I don't want to be using my hips, so it's all one rigid movement. The only thing that should be moving is your elbow coming back up and towards your side. Once you've done that, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So stand just to the side of the barbell. This time I'm doing my left-hand side. Squat down. Big deep breath. Bring the weight up. Once you've brought the weight up with a nice neutral spine, start to bring those hips back. Once your hand's below your knee, you're then ready to go. Free hand can go anywhere. Row the weight up, slowly back down. Row the weight up, slowly back down.